Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melanie and I love to talk about all things hair. Well, it is almost finally that time of year. It is my favorite time of year. I love the weather of fall, autumn. Since I think it's Monday, Tuesday, I think it's like the 22nd or something. Anyways, at the end of this month, it is the first official day of fall, so I wanted to go ahead and give you a bunch of fall hairstyles that you could use this season. I'm going to show you 6 different hairstyles that you can use. They all use different fall accessories, such as this one, and they work perfectly for this time of year to just give you that extra touch of fall. They also, of course, are perfect on days where you do not want to refresh your hair, or you only want to refresh parts of your hair like I did today. It's still wet. Or if you're just having a bad hair day and you think, you know what, I want to have a better hair day than I am right now, let's put it up in a hairstyle. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see new videos every week, such as this one. Well guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so this first hairstyle is kind of an intricate one. I got this little scrunchie and scarf set. The scarf came on the scrunchie. I just pulled it off. And this is from Kristen S, I believe. I got it at Target for $10. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually braid the scarf into my hair. So, as you can see, I parted my hair on the side over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a tiny piece of hair right here, and I'm going to put the scarf under the hair. Then I'm going to pick up pieces of hair with the scarf on either side, and that's gonna start my braid. So we have the hair in the middle and these two right here. So I'm going to cross this over and grab the middle hair. Then I'm going to cross this over and grab the middle hair now with the scarf. And from here, we're gonna do a French braid. So I'll grab some hair and pull over. Grab some hair and pull over. And anytime you're pulling over with the scarf, try to make sure that it is on the top. Like so. So I'm going to braid all the way down to my neck. All right, now once I'm down here, I'm going to just braid a normal braid to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to secure it with my scrunchie for now. We're gonna take this out. I'm gonna secure it with the scrunchie so that I can fluff my braid. So I just pull at it. As you can see, it's got this pretty woven in effect. So next I'm going to gather all of my hair to kind of the side back, and I'm going to take out the scrunchie, maybe, and use this to secure my hair into a ponytail. Oops, kind of pulled. Now you could decide to continue braiding if you wanted to. I just went with the ponytail route because I think it's the most flattering on me. And then after I'm done with that, I'm just gonna kind of pull at my hair so it's not super slicked down. Then I'm going to, just to make it cuter, I'm going to take my 2 ribbons that are in my hair, kind of pull them towards the front, and do a little bow action. And there we go, there's the first one. So for the second one, I'm going to use the same scarf and hair tie. A lot of the hair tie scrunchies, oh, and I'm putting it back on. A lot of the hair tie like scrunchies with scarves on them, they do come apart for the most part. So just in case you were curious. So I'm tying it back on. There was like a little loop. I'm gonna tie this back on. All right, and then I am going to just pull my hair up. So super simple. I like to kind of leave down some bang area. And if I were going out, I would refresh this part, or if you have straight hair, curl this part. Just make it look cute, you know. We're not trying to look disgusting over here. Just anything that makes you feel cuter. And then I'm gonna kind of pull my hair up messy like. And now I'm going to take my scrunchie and tie my hair. The good thing about this hair tie is that the scarf part moves. So I can move it to where I need it to be. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wrap it around once to make sure it's super secure. And you can do a couple of things with this. You can just tie it like that, and then you just have a cute little scarf moment. You can also do a bow. So I'm going to tie it. Then I'm going to take my loop, wrap it around, and tie. And a cute little bow. And there we go. Super simple. Just kind of dresses up your everyday ponytail. So works out perfectly. And the fall colors is what really makes it fall. You could do this with any season. You could have like a bright color one and do it in the summer. It's just a really good go-to hairstyle. So for this next one, I again am going to take the scarf off, and we're gonna do a half back situation. So I'm gonna take about this much hair. I want a decent amount of hair because I'm gonna braid it. Oh, actually, I do need this tied onto it. My bad. So scratch that, keep this on. And then I'm going to, again, take half of my hair back. I like to keep a lot of this front part so I don't look bald. And I'm going to, let me turn around. I'm going to tie this. Try to keep the bottom hair out. And this time I want this to be down. And I'm going to, again, braid it in to my hair. So grabbing the outside sections with the scarf. The middle section doesn't have the scarf. And then as I do this, I kind of want to make sure I flip over my scarf so that it's in the front, because we want to see it. That's the whole point. I think my middle section needs a little more hair. There we go. And then flipping over. Just going to braid all the way down. So I turned around because I'm gonna do this from the front, but as you can see, I'm towards the end of my hair. So I'm going to find my scarf area. I'm gonna kind of take them out of the braid, hold the braid together, and we're gonna do a bit of a wrapping situation at the bottom. So I'm gonna take both pieces to the front and to the back and to the front again. And now I'm going to tie it off. So now that it's tied off, you can leave it like this, or again, you can do a cute little bow. Did I pull my bow? There. And I'm gonna fluff my braid in the back. I'm hoping you can see the ribbon. I don't know if you can, but there you go. Just a cute little half updo. And of course, I would refresh my hair. My hair's looking super straight and weird today, but I would definitely refresh my hair or curl it. Either way, it's up to you. But there's our third hairstyle. So we are finally done with the scarf combo. I'm finally gonna show you something else, and that is a claw clip. Claw clips are so in right now, which is great. It reminds me of the 90s. And I love this tortoise shell style that I have. I think this is also Kristen S. They just have really cute things. And I got it from Target, also 10 bucks. It is super sturdy. I have very thick hair, and this is able to grab all of my hair and it keeps it in place. So I highly recommend this one. But what I'm gonna do is just kind of a couple of hairstyles with this now. So first off, I'm gonna do the normal claw clip style, but I like to keep some hair down. So what I like to do is, of course, I let my bang area fall. I actually let a lot of this go. I just like it that way. And again, I would refresh this area if I were keeping it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you from the back, is I'm going to take my hair and I'm gonna twist it twice and hold it up like this. So I have a little loop in the back. I'm gonna take my claw clip and I'm going to squish my hair in there, and then I'm gonna fluff it out. And of course I wanna see what it looks like from the front. So once I have this, I still kind of like to pull a little. I like for the tops of my ears to be covered, just a personal preference of mine. But then you have a cute little hairstyle with a cute little claw clip. So works well, super easy, super simple. But here is this look. Again, it's kind of like a grungy look. Works well with the outfit I have on today. So then the next one that I'm going to do a half up hairdo. What I like to do is take my hair on one side and I French braid it over to the side. So kind of like how we French braided with the scarf. This is a little more easy. And I French braid it going kind of back this way. And then I'm going to stop about halfway down and braid it the rest of the way. Then what I do is I take it and I clip it with the claw clip. Then I fluff out my braid, make it super floofy. And I should have left a little more hair down, like especially in the front, grabbing some bang area. And there we go. Super easy. You can see that it just gives it a little bit more flair. It doesn't have to be super perfect. It's just kind of throwing up a braid. I just really like it. And of course, I would refresh my hair, but since I'm doing so many hairstyles right now, I don't have time for that. And the very last hairstyle is so simple, so easy. Anyone could do it because all you do is put something in your hair, and that is headbands. I love headbands in the fall. I don't know why it's just the fall that I really want to wear a headband, but it is. So I love these two that I think I also got from Target. I know I got a lot from Target, but that's where I frequent. I probably buy way too much at Target, but these are just like solid headbands. They don't hurt my ears, so that's great. I think that I did a fall hairstyles video last year, and I'm pretty sure that I use these like all the time. But it's so simple to just put in your hair after a refresh, fluff your hair over it, and you're good to go. Obviously, my hair's not refreshed, so it looks like Hermione Granger right now, but it works super well to just kind of give you a little bit more volume. I don't know how it does it, but I think it's because I like pull the hair over the headband. It just adds so much more volume. You can also, if you want to, you can do the like full-on headband thing where you put it back like that, and that really gives you some volume. I was doing that a lot last year when I had my straight across bangs and I was tired of them. So I would push them back with my headband. That was my go-to hairstyle. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, fairly simple hairstyles here. All right, guys, so I just refreshed my hair and I went for the ponytail look just because it was the easiest for me today. And yeah, so this is kind of the finished work. My hair's still wet right here. I just took some water and scrunched it up to make things a little cuter. But guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a thumbs up if you did. It lets me know that you enjoy this type of video. Leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite hairstyle of today's video. And also tag me if you decide to recreate one of these hairstyles. Well, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.